went to a great little Danny Boyle chat talking about the Pistols, his new TV show. I have a love-hate relationship with the whole punk revival. Is it like David Beckham punk, gentrified punk? You know, punks in shiny Dr. Martens and manufactured backpacks. Do you know what I'm saying? That's not what punk was it? Punk was very much do it yourself, wasn't it? Anyway, it's a good night out at the South Bank.
We're here with Malcolm McLaren.
Yeah, that's it.
How long's it been since I've seen you?
About 25 years.
Where's the money?
All up, that, mate.
Under the floorboards in some gaffed and tailor shop in East End.
The early days, they shaped and formed you.
Yes.
They turned you into a true rascal.
Fail?
Now you're Artful Dodgering it all over LA, I guess, on this radio show.
The swindle continues.
Anyway,
So what are you doing out here?
a number of things. Shopping around, looking for a place to hang all this new...
Finally finished writing my first full-on street photography workshop. Now, I've done a lot of workshops before in the past, but they've been kind of portrait workshops. This is, I've designed this to really challenge photographers to take a huge leap outside of their comfort zone so that they benefit in a very real way after the workshop. I'm not against other workshops, but I think what can happen sometimes is that we're just pumped full of a whole bunch of information that we pretty much could have Googled anyway. And I know those workshops are useful because we're meeting other photographers and it's good for networking and meeting like-minded people. You know, I like those workshops as well. But this workshop is really about getting our hands dirty, getting in the thick of it. And there's a whole bunch of challenges. You're going to be prodded, you're going to be poked, and you're going to get your money's worth. So look out for this on my social guide. It's called the Dare Street Photography Workshop, the Dare Street Photo Workshop. And the subtitle is A Shot of Confidence. And it's going to be a lot more than that, I promise you. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button. Sorry it's been a while, guys, but hope you like this video. It's a bit of a weird cocktail of iPhone nonsense, really. But like I said, hope you liked it and see you on the next video. Bye.